AKVIS Refocus AI enhances the clarity and sharpness of blurry photos. The program fixes camera shake problems. It works in 5 modes: Refocus AI, Tilt Shift, Iris Blur, Motion Blur, and Radial Blur. Refocus AI mode makes blurry photos sharp and clear. It includes motion Deblur AI and image sharpening. Tilt Shift mode blurs the outer parts of an image. Iris Blur mode creates a shallow depth of field effect, blurring the background while keeping the subject in focus. Enhance your photos and add aesthetic value to your pictures. Download AKVIS Refocus AI at akvis.com.